Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Jaguar XF. From any screen, over here you've got a circle with an arrow in it. We click on there, or you can go to home, click on home, and then again the sat nav there. So that's it. If I click that again, it brings up another menu. Where to, map view, favourites, information, emergency. Where to, click on where to. And then address, enter postcode. Enter postcode is the quickest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. PR, it's defaulted to numbers, 5, 4, E, A. Again, the Jaguar Land Rover system, you don't have to put a space in, it's automatically put a space in for the 2 digits and not 3. Then we have to click on, even though we've just typed it in, you've got to click on it again.
Calculated.
So there you go, and now even though you've clicked on it, you've got to click yes for it to start.
Please turn right in 300 yards onto Sharp Lane, then turn left.
That's it. That's the way you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.